And welcome back to the Big BR Show. That's 428 Chase on YouTube. So I just got doing adding another location to my theme. Locations, that's a series of songs where a location is included in the song. And the last song I just did, my last video was Man in the Box by Alice in Chains. And I decided to take a little comedy break. And since we were talking about a box, I decided to go with Brian Regan, talking about a refrigerator salesman, and the original title was Refrigerator Salesman, but he does a little animation where it's titled Refrigerator Shopping, and let's get into it.
We needed a refrigerator for our new place, and I've never bought a refrigerator in my whole life. I went into the appliance store. There's like 900 of them lined up. There's a salesman there. What's this guy supposed to say about refrigerators? Well, you have this refrigerator right here. This keeps all your food cold for 600. You've got this refrigerator. This keeps all your food cold for 800. Check this out. 1400 keeps all your food cold. So this guy's working me on this one. I've never seen a guy work so hard. This one is a very nice refrigerator. It has a meats drawer. And what you do with that, you would put meats. Whatever varieties that you would choose, these would be your meats. So there's no requirement on the types of meats. You could pick bacon, marbled meats. There's an endless selection. Endless. And this one also has a crisper for crispy things. Potato chips. Look in the door when the door's open. This has an egg area. And that's a very nice thing. It's an area for eggs. You put them all in the egg area. You come home and you go, hey, where are the eggs? Right in the egg area. And they're all written in cursive, and that's a real nice feature. That is a nice touch.
And once again, that was Brian Regan and Refrigerator Shopping. And again, I picked that out because back in the day, refrigerators were called ice boxes. I never been refrigerator shopping, so I never had to deal with a refrigerator salesman. But think about the salesman if he had to sell an actual icebox back in the day. I got a couple examples of what they looked like. But these are ice boxes. And just think about it, you know, you had to store ice in the box to keep stuff cold. And that's example 1. And here comes example 2. And then we got example 3. Well, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Anyways, that was my little comedy uh, break for today, and we'll get back into some music. Stick around, or actually come back. Thanks again. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, and have a good afternoon. Bye now.